Hi, in this video I'll be explaining about the new motion control systems which we have developed for the Slider Plus version 2. Being the only slider in the world which can move beyond its own length, Slider Plus has already given amazing benefits to its owners. The perfect sliding shot requires a very stable speed, and achieving this really requires lots of concentration, and this can be quite tricky, especially if you're trying to achieve really low constant speeds. So the motion control system we're introducing is trying to solve this common issue with a very simple and easy to use way. So here it is. It's the Wizard motion controller for Slider Plus. You can simply attach it on the side of your Slider Plus and tighten it very easily and quickly. It only has a single 5-way button on it, which you can use to trigger motion, adjust acceleration, or record an action. The Wizard motion controller comes with 3 different battery plate options. You can use just one single battery or attach 2 batteries at the same time to extend the battery life. Alternately, you can also use a DC adapter to power the system as well. One thing to notice with the Wizard motion controller, that it's not limiting your manual sliding operation at all. That's a very important feature to have, which I'll be explaining why in a second. For a motion controlled shot, the system wants to know 3 pieces of information from you: where you want the action to start, where you want it to stop, and the average speed. The current motion control systems out there requires you to enter all those information to the system with some screens, buttons, and etc. But what greater method there is other than actually showing the system how you want your shot physically? And that's exactly how the Wizard motion controller works. You just enter the record button on it and actually show the system how you want your shot. And actually you don't have to be perfect with your speed, because it's going to be averaging your speed for you the next time you operate it. Now I have recorded my action. Now I'm taking my camera to its starting position, and if I'm not sure where I started from, I can send the system to its perfect starting point, like this. This is the point which I started my recording just a few seconds ago. And then I sent the system to its finished position with a single tapping. I can pick between 3 different types of accelerations. The one which you have just seen was the middle one. I also have a slower one as well. Also, there is this really sharp one, just in case you're not going to be using the starts and ends of your video. So let's record another camera action to give more detail about how the system works. This time I'm going to be recording just a very small section of camera action. I'm pressing record button and showing the system what I want. I can actually make the camera travel between those points infinitely. To do that, instead of tapping just once, I can tap the direction I want twice. The recorded information stays in the system even if you turn it off and remove the batteries. This means that you can take your system to someplace else at a different time and repeat the exact action there as well. So as you see, we have amazingly simplified to set up a motion control system. What this means is, from now on, not just a few of your shots, but all of your shots will be motion controlled. And this is going to give you an amazing ease of mind during the production, because you will always know that your speed is constant and perfect. And the best of all, the Wizard controller is not the only motion control system we have developed for the Slider Plus. There is also Target controller, which you can use simultaneously with the Wizard controller. And please go and check that video to learn more about it. Thank you for watching.